today I want to share with you my routine. This routine is good for us girls that want to do quick, easy, very simple makeup, just to go out of the door and look decent. Nothing too complicated, not too many steps, not too many products. And if that sounds interesting, then keep on watching, because this is my bare face. I only applied my serum, hyaluronic acid serum, my eye cream, and my face cream. Two of these products are from Primark. If that's interesting, I can also do my prep routine, but I'm going to start with SPF because I haven't applied SPF yet. This is from Babu Botanicals. Now they have a different packaging because they changed the ingredients a bit, because I buy this from iHerb, and if you know that the United States has changed their regulations about sunscreen, and not for the best, unfortunately. So this is the old packaging. There is a new packaging with new ingredients. I have the new packaging in the SPF 50 and I already used it, and it's the same output wise. It's the same output wise, result wise, I guess. Output wise, why did I choose that? Who knows? I'm just applying it like I'm applying my regular cream, just with my hand. Of course, I already washed my hands first, and I usually apply on my neck and décolletage as well. We can't neglect our neck, we can't neglect our décolletage. And if I'm being honest, I can go out just with sunscreen and nothing else. And I think this sunscreen is something that you cannot skip on, and this is a must. To take one thing from this video, then this is the one. Use sunscreen. Okay. For my foundation, I'm using this one from Dior, but you can use whatever you want. I love this one because it's a foundation, but can you hear that? This is very, very liquidy, very easy to apply, gives great result. I do think this is worth investing in, because this will last you for a very long time, because it is liquidy and you don't need a lot. You don't need a lot, and it is liquidy. So of course you do your math, whatever suits you. If you have a different foundation, then use it. It doesn't really matter. I'm just showing you the steps more than the products themselves, even though I will leave a link to this from my iHerb, so you can check it out if you want. This is a mineral sunscreen. I do recommend buying the 51 and not the 31, but it doesn't really matter because the difference is minuscule, and you won't really, you know, it's not something that significant. So depends on what you like, but they're both really, really good. I use my fingers. I know this is not aesthetically pleasing for me to use my fingers, but I am trying to use as little as possible with the sponge, and my brush is just dirty, so I didn't want to use it. But if I use my brush, I use my Real Technique brush and just stamp it like this. Okay, I shouldn't do it because again, this is not clean, but just to demonstrate, just again tapping and not rubbing, tapping all over. You can also do like I did and apply with your fingers and then use the brush, whatever suits you. Again, this is quick and easy. When I'm doing it off camera, it's less than 5 minutes, but because I'm also talking, it's going to take me a bit longer. I am using this duo from Makeup by Mario. I bought two minis, a bronzer and a blush. The bronzer is in the shade light medium, the blush is in the shade sweet pink. At the beginning when I bought them, I didn't really enjoy them, but they grew up on me and I really like it. Really nice. Of course we have to blend, don't worry, we will. But they're very quick and easy to use, give great result, and it's a mini. This is why I bought a mini, because I knew that there are two options. I will really love it. Three options. I will really love it, meh, and hate it. So I went from meh to really love it. So maybe next time I will buy the big one, but I don't know. I have so much makeup, I don't know if I need it. But so far I have the mini, I'm using it, and when it's used up, maybe then I will buy the big one. I really love using the one from Sephora collection, but last time I was at Sephora they did not have it. I don't know why they did not carry it. Maybe they stopped carrying it, I don't know. But this is the bronzer, because, and I use the brush instead of a sponge. I'm trying to use sponges as less as possible, bacteria wise. That's the reason. This is the blush. Let's just, okay, I should have swatched the bronzer so you can see what the shade looks like. Again, this is light medium. So this is light medium, and the blush is in, I forgot, sweet pink. So these, and this blush is very creamy and very easy to use. Sometimes I'm using it like this and tapping it with my finger. I find that my creams with my finger are the best way. Sometimes I'm just taking from the applicator and just dabbing it, tap 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 tap. Which is better? I think this one is a bit better because there is more concentration of blush, but that also works. I have to do brows, so my next step is brows. I'm using this one from Essence. This is called Baby Got Brows Eyebrow Pencil, waterproof, in shade brunette. This has a very big tip, so it's going to take 2 seconds because it has a big tip, but go sparsely and with a very light hand, because otherwise I'm not responsible for the results. You will have to redo your entire brows because this is very pigmented, very pigmented, and I don't like my brows to be that pigmented. I think that's too much, but that's just me. Depends how you love to do your brows. For highlighter, I'm going to use this one from Sephora collection. This is 02 Morning Blaze Colorful Blush Glaze. Now this is a powder, I wanted to say powder brush, but this is not. This is a powder brush. No, powder blush. This is also, look how pretty this is. Okay, but this can double as a highlighter, so this is why I love using it. It's also blush and highlighter in one. I'm not taking a lot because I don't want to have too much blush lighter, but okay, let's just stop there. We can stop the video now. This looks immaculate. Wow. Okay, for my eyes I am just not doing something special. I just have here my Natasha Denona mini bronze palette, and I just want to take one shade and just apply it with my finger all over the lid. This is a bronzy shade, nothing too much, just one and done. We don't have time for many steps, we don't have time for a full eye look, and basically almost no one does that anymore. Full eye looks. I mean, who has time to do a full eye look unless this is a part of your job or something like that? This is the shade. It's a bronzy shade. Maybe it's a part of your job, maybe you're required to be full glam at your job, I don't know. But most people don't do a complete eye look for their everyday makeup looks. Let's be real here, because this is what this video is about. For me, at least, being real, being authentic, being me. Okay, this is from NYX. This is their lip pencil in nude beige. Well, you won't see anything, so I'll swatch it. This is it here. This is not a must, but what I love about lip liners or lip pencils, which are basically the same, because they define the lip and the lipstick stays on the lips and not slide away. This is why I use it. This is the only reason. And quickly, I haven't forgot mascara. I want to spray first and then apply mascara. Spray with setting spray, of course. So I'm just applying my lip liner and applying it also on the lip itself. For my lip product, I'm using this lip butter balm from Summer Friday. It looks intimidating, it looks like a not everyday shade, but it hardly has any color to it. You'll see. Okay, it does have a bit of a color, but nothing to... If you see this packaging in the store and you're strolling at Sephora, maybe on the website, maybe in the store, and you see this and you say to yourself, this is not for me, this is how it looks like. You can hardly see it. It's like my lip color, but slightly better. I love it. I love the feeling, I love the scent. I really enjoy using this product. I don't know why I keep my boxes lately. Do you also keep your boxes? Do let me know in the comments section down below. Share, don't be shy. e.l.f. Power Grip Dewy Setting Spray. We need to shake it. So I am applying my setting spray and then my mascara, because I don't want my mascara to smudge. But that's just a personal preference. This is a very fine mister, very fine. And if you've been watching me, you know that this is my mascara right now. First of all, I really love it, I really enjoy using it. Second of all, I need to finish it up. It's open from April. That's past my original date, but it still has a very good scent. I do recommend smelling your mascaras before applying, because if the mascara is bad, then it can cause damage to your eye. Don't forget that we are applying mascara next to our eyeballs, and we don't want to risk our eyeballs. Eyeballs? What did I say? We don't want to risk our eyeball. Okay, what's wrong with me? Let's take a small mirror because I can hardly see anything. and I don't want to poke my eye. So please always smell your mascara. It's just 1 millisecond more, and if you don't apply a bad smelling mascara, please, on your eyelids. Don't forget that they're very, very close to your eyes. Okay, that's it, we're done. It took me more than 10 minutes because again, I was talking, but if I weren't talking, less than 5 minutes, I'm done. I think the look turned out beautifully. This is my everyday look when I'm going for errands, when I used to go to work. This is what I did. And really easy, very, very simple. We don't need anything complicated. What do you think? Do let me know. Do you like this look? Do you think it turned out nice? Do you have any of these products? Do you have a new product to recommend to me? I am planning to place a Sephora order soon, so if you have any recommendations or things you want me to test, then do let me know and write it down in the comment section down below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Give this video a thumbs up. All the swatches, I love doing the thumbs up with the swatches. It's one of the things that I really like. So thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe, join my family here on YouTube, and click on the notification bell, and write something in the comments. Don't be shy. Share this video with your friends if you found it helpful, and I will catch you all in my next video. Bye.